The fascinating world of giraffes, nature's tallest wonders. Welcome to the enchanting world of giraffes, where grace meets grandeur and elegance intertwines with uniqueness. Giraffes, the tallest land animals on Earth, are renowned for their towering stature, reaching heights of up to 18 feet. Their iconic long necks, comprising 7 elongated vertebrae, allow them to effortlessly browse leaves high above the ground. In the vast tapestry of the African wilderness, giraffes stand as symbols of resilience, elegance, and the enduring beauty of nature. Adorned with a coat of irregular spots and patches, each giraffe boasts a one-of-a-kind pattern, much like a human fingerprint. These spots not only serve as camouflage, but also play a crucial role in regulating body temperature. In the heart of the African savanna, giraffes lead a social lifestyle, often found in groups called towers. These towers consist of females and their calves, while male giraffes may wander alone or form bachelor groups. Despite their towering presence, giraffes are surprisingly gentle herbivores. Their diet primarily consists of leaves, buds, and twigs from various acacia and mimosa trees, supplemented by the occasional drink of water. As masters of adaptation, giraffes have evolved several unique traits to thrive in their environment. From their prehensile tongues, measuring up to 18 inches in length, to their keen eyesight and acute sense of hearing, every aspect of their anatomy is finely tuned for survival. Join us again as we continue to explore the wonders of the animal kingdom.